best 5 Apple Intelligence features to improve productivity of iPhone. Apple Intelligence, an AI platform developed by Apple, aims to redefine the way people use and interact with iPhones when iOS 18 officially launches later. Meanwhile, there have been various reports that hint at Apple Intelligence's launch a little bit later in an update. Well, if you're running an iOS 18.1 developer beta currently on an iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max, you can unlock new AI experiences. Gad Insider has compiled all the Apple Intelligence features you need to try first on your phone. Smart Siri actions. Siri is receiving a big update with Apple Intelligence. Not only is that a new animation whenever the AI assistant is hailed on a compatible iPhone, but she responds in more natural and less robotic tone. Moreover, you can access the new Siri keyboard at any time by double tapping the bar at the bottom of the screen to type your questions and commands to Siri. To access the Siri keyboard, double tap on the bar at the bottom of the screen. Siri can be accessed the same way as before, either through a voice prompt with "Hey Siri" or "Siri" by long pressing the power button. Writing tools for different styles. Writing tools are accessible in every app by highlighting text and then proceeding to tap on the Writing Tools option that displays. Here's how to access Writing Tools with Apple Intelligence. Select the text you want to convert, then click on Writing Tools to bring up the feature. Choose different writing styles, from friendly, professional, or concise ones. At the bottom of the Writing Tools menu, you have options for summary, key points, list, and table for summarizing. Prioritize and summarize features in Mail. Apple Intelligence integrates a few noteworthy features that could satisfy you to go back to the Mail app on your iPhone. That's because you can try out the new Summarize feature in the app that takes those long emails and condenses them into an easy bite-sized summary that spotlights the most important stuff. When you open Mail and select an inbox, Apple Intelligence will show the priority message at the top of the list. Once you select an email, a menu button at the top right corner that you tap will perform the Summarize feature. A new pull-down menu appears with the summary. Summarize voice recordings and notes. Instead of typing notes from a presentation, you can record it within the Notes app on your iPhone and then summarize it. Once you've attached a voice recording in the Notes app, you can click on the recording where a button near the top lets you summarize it. There's a chat box icon near the lower left corner that allows you to switch to the transcription. Create memories with Photos app. This is one of the distant Apple Intelligence features, along with one of the most intuitive. Here's how to do it. Open the Photos app, then scroll down until you see the section for memories. Click on the Create button near it. A messaging box appears asking you to describe the memory, so write what you want and press Enter. You'll see an animation that shows you the memory after a few seconds. Save phone calls and notes. Sometimes discussions go far too long, which is where Apple Intelligence comes to lend a hand. You'll be able to record phone conversations, and Apple Intelligence will transcribe and summarize them in the Notes app. While in an active phone call, tap the Record Call icon in the upper left corner. A prompt appears indicating that the phone call will be recorded, which will also inform your caller. Once the phone call ends, it would automatically save the phone recording to the Notes app.